So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys how you can find coin arbitrage opportunity and use it to make a whole lot of money for yourself. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? This strategy that I'm sharing with you guys, that's what I use to make my own money in crypto space. So make sure you do your own diligent search before you dive into any of them. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular place right now, you'll find out that there are a whole lot of coins in the market. Okay, a lot of coin is in the market. Also remember, I have a VIP group where I give signals on daily basis, which you can actually use to make money. So if you want to be getting the coin arbitrage opportunity or spot opportunity, you can join my VIP group. It costs you only 30 USDT for you to join. And if you want to learn step by step on how crypto market work, how you can actually use trade arbitrage or spot trading, use them to make money on daily basis, you can do well to join my class where I teach you step by step on how to actually go about it. Okay, so you can send me message or on WhatsApp or Telegram. So because there is a whole random coin in the market, you will find out that most people are likely may be confused on how it actually works. So most time this coin arbitrage opportunity is to buy low and sell high. Okay, so but since there is a whole lot of coin here, you are confused on which one will make you the profit. Okay, so I want to tell you that the challenge are not just looking for coin. Okay, if you want to look for coin, most especially, let me show you. If you come over to your Chrome, okay, as a case study, okay, let's use Mega as a case study. So if you come over to Mega here, what you actually, as a beginner, okay, as someone who want to carry out arbitrage opportunity, what you need to do is to make research about the coin. Okay, to number one is to find out if there is opportunity in the coin you want to carry out arbitrage opportunity on it. To this particular place where you can see exchange, okay, market. Okay, you click this market, you can see market over here. So once you have clicked market over here, then it will enable you to see if there is actually opportunity in that particular coin. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you the major key point, the things you need to look after. So you can see the coin is being listed in Coinbase and Binance. So now let's see if there is opportunity in this particular place. So what I'm gonna be doing is to check the price. This is the price. So I can actually see that in a place here, there is a place here which is KuCoin. You can see KuCoin, popular exchange. KuCoin is selling the coin at 0.082 cent. Okay, meanwhile there is another exchange here which is called Kumbaya. Okay, which is here. You can see over here the Kumbaya over here is also a popular exchange. Okay, so this Kumbaya is selling the same coin at 0.08. Meanwhile Coinbase and Binance, let's say Coinbase is selling the same coin at 0.08. so there is a little bit opportunity in this of arbitrage in this particular coin. So if you go over again, you will also see some other exchange that are selling the coin for 0.081 cents. So you can buy it high, low, and go and sell it very high. So but this is the first thing you need to do. So now going to the second thing which you actually need, which are also the major key factors that you need here. Okay, so which is, or not, the second of it are the type of coin you are buying, just like the network that is that is being built. This coin is being built underneath. Okay, which is the major for arbitrage. You need something like BNB token, you need Solana token. That are these two network are the major ones that you need because they have a low transfer fee. Okay, So this is the second. Number one is to find out if there is opportunity in that coin. Then the second is to make sure that the coin is built under a network which is BNB Smart Chain or Solana Scan, okay, which is Solana coin. So then the third things which you need to look after are to make sure that the coin doesn't have a hidden fee. And most likely the way I normally find out this particular coin is to go to the coin, okay. Let's say this particular coin, you go to Mega, you go to the people that are buying, go to SoScan to find out these people that are buying the coin, are they paying hidden fee? That's where you find out if there is a hidden fee. There are some coins that when you buy them, they're really gonna have like 1% hidden fee, 2% hidden fee. If you buy that coin, you're likely gonna lose money. So one of the best way you can, if you are just a new beginner, you doesn't know how all this thing actually work, the major thing to do is to have a coach. Okay, you come for a coach class. You can find it anywhere, or if you want me to coach you, you can join my class. It costs you only 30 USDT, okay, for you to join my class. So and in that class, you're really gonna be getting the signal instead of you making all this research, or maybe you know how to trade but you work 9 to 5 job. You can join the VIP group to be getting daily signal, so you can now use it to do what? To trade and make money. So in that case, it's gonna be giving you less stress. Okay, so whenever I post the signal, you use it to trade and make money. Okay, so but you can also go on your own to find all these opportunity. They are actually available. So but these are the three major key factors which you need to look after. Okay, so once you are finding, another thing is that, which is the last, okay, the last thing is your capital. Okay, your capital is also very, very important, because there are some coins that, just like this coin, the difference here, there, let me show you. Let's say you are using $50 to perform this trade. You are buying from 0.081. okay, now let's say you are buying with $50. okay, $50. Let's say this is $50, so you're really gonna get 620 pieces of this coin. So now at this rate, which is $50.22. now after you have sold it for 3, okay, you can see that the profit, that is 83, for a higher profit, a higher price, then this is what you get. So you can see that your profit here is actually just 1 USDT. So now sometimes if you increase your money to this kind of coin, might be needing like $500, $1,000. So, and also I've made it possible that for those of you that doesn't have much, you can join the VIP, that so that whenever I get a coin that you can also use like $20 or $30 to start, I will post it. And if you want us, maybe you are a 9 to 5 job person, you want to someone who can actually manage your account for you, you can reach out for me to me on WhatsApp or Telegram.